Welcome all. Today's topic is supernatural and mirrors. So, this is a topic in which I'll be talking about that how supernatural energies or entities are related with mirrors and how dangerous mirrors can be sometimes. And also for the fact that when we say do not sleep in front of the mirror once you're actually in a new place or even in your bedroom, you should not have a mirror placed right in front where you're sleeping. What is the reason behind that? Also, I'll be discussing these two major points today in this audio. So let's get started. So, like you must have seen in lot many horror movies, I'm giving it like an example, putting it through like an example, that they always show mostly that whenever there is a diagnosis done or whenever there is an awareness or a protocol done through which they gauge that there is some evil entity or any supernatural element or anything to do with black magic for that matter in that particular place or with a particular person. They start showing that the first advice that any healer or a specialist gives to the victim or the victim's family is that wherever you have mirrors in your room or in the whole of your house or whichever venue the victim is, just make sure that you cover all the mirrors. You must have seen this lot many times in English movies as well as in Hindi movies. So what is the reason behind it? See, the reason behind it is that mirrors, when it comes to occult sciences, or mirrors when it comes to the research work also of the supernatural, it's said in the ancient times, and in fact from the ancient times, that mirrors were always kept for giving you a reflection of what you are. Because when you look at the mirror, when you look at your face in the mirror, you see your face, you see your reflection, right? But just it's not just about the reflection when it comes to the supernatural world. It also has the ability to multiply, and it also has the ability to expand whatever energy you're carrying with yourself. So now that means that, for example, if you have negative energy inside you more than the positive energy, depending on what kind of an individual you are, or a negative thought process more than the positive thought process, the moment you will look at yourself in the mirror, especially your face and especially your eyes on the mirror, in the mirror, that energy will multiply around you and will make you and reflect, bounce back on you. And of course, when it will multiply and bounce back on you, the negative energy that was maybe 50% in you has now bounced back on you and has become 100%. And if it is positive, the results will be just the same, that 50% of positivity reflects back on you and it becomes 100% of positivity. That is the reason it is said that, when you're going for an interview also, you must practice yourself the interview questions, the patterns in front of the mirror. Look at yourself so that the confidence building activity happens in a multiplication way, in a very expandable way, because out there you are just thinking about the positive things of getting a job. Okay, so similarly, if there's an evil entity or an evil energy or a supernatural element around you and it is not visible through the naked eye, but the moment you will look in the mirror, you will stand in front of the mirror, you will start feeling the aura 100 times more than usually what you may feel when you're alone and you're not looking towards the mirror. And sometimes when things have come really near you, or they have affected you majorly in this scenario, and the negativity has attached itself with you in an immense way, you will find yourself also sometimes to be very evilish in front of the mirror. The reason is again just the same, that evil energy has multiplied so much that you yourself can feel that there is something wrong with you. It is not this much of negative energy that you ever had, but now when you look at the mirror, you feel that it's really gone high. And even the supernatural element have the ability to show themselves in front of the mirror, because their energy levels also get strengthened in front of the mirror because of the reflection action that we just talked about. So this is a major thing. And also, like I said, the second question, would be that you should never sleep in front of the mirror. That means in front of your bed, directly in front of your bed, you should not have the mirror. Again, the answer is almost the same, that because of a powerful reflection system, whatever feelings or whatever intentions you have slept with, even in a subconscious way, that will also automatically get reflected when the mirror is in front of you, even when you're sleeping, even when you're in the most sensitive state of your body or mind. Okay, that's why it can give you sleepless nights if mirror is in front of you, because it keeps on reflecting what you are thinking, what vibrations you are having. It bounces back on you on a very rigorous way. Okay, so this is the reason. So whenever there's a supernatural entity, it is said cover the mirror, so that whatever the damages that entity is creating should only remain till that much. It should not be that the entity also looks in the mirror, finds a reflection of its own self, or the finds an energy of its own self which multiplies and creates more problem for you. Okay, so that's about it. This is it that I wanted to discuss in this audio. Next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.